Hey YouTube, what's up? I hope you guys are good and I hope everyone has been keeping well and I hope the trading has been going good. So on today's video, I'm just gonna touch on a trade that I actually missed, alright? But thought I should give you guys my thought process behind the trade and why I took the trade, just so that you guys can see what I was looking at and to show you guys how I executed it. But like I said, it did miss my entry. But yeah, looking at it on the 15 minute, all right. So this was yesterday, and we can see yesterday during prices New York session, all right. We can see that price left a fair value gap, all right. So what I was waiting for, I was waiting for price to get into a discount, all right, being from this range low, all right, to this high, right? So once price got to that fair value gap, all right, I waited to see what price is showing me on the lower time frame, okay, because price can always just continue lower. So that's why it's important to wait to see what price shows you, okay? So looking at it on today's price action, we can see that on the midnight open, right, price has just been consolidating since yesterday, right? And once price opened up, we had a drop during London, right? And price made a high, and then price continued its consolidation. And then once the 8:30 open happened, we had a displacement and price left a fair value gap, right? Price then closed that in with the 9:30 open, right? Price closing that fair value gap, and then price continued lower. Okay, so once price got into the fair value gap, which I marked out, and that was the area which I was waiting for, okay, I then went down to the lower time frame, and then I just waited for a market shift to see what happens or what will happen, right? So this is the 1 minute, right? We can see here's the 8:30 open, and these two blue lines are obviously the 15-minute fair value gap from the previous day. Okay, so once price got into that, we can see that price made a high and price gave a lovely expansion and price left a fair value gap. Okay, so what I was waiting for, I was just waiting for price to get into this fair value gap, and then obviously I was waiting for price to trigger me into this trade. All right, so my entry was inside of this fair value gap, and obviously the target was this high right here, okay? But once price takes out the buy side liquidity, right, on the short-term basis, being these short-term highs, right, you can obviously take your partials along the way once price reaches your final objective. So this was what I was waiting for. So this is what I was waiting for. You can see I had my TP, right, being above this high right here. Excuse me. And this is how it played out, right? So we can see that price missed my entry point, okay? It was inside of this fair value gap, right? Obviously the feeds are different from TradingView and your broker. So you guys just want to check out the different prices of your broker feeds, okay? But yeah, it was a good trade, right? Even though I missed it, but yeah, you can't catch them all, so we just gotta wait on for the next one. So just to show you guys the execution, I shared it in the Telegram channel. So there it was. You can see that price missed my entry. I placed it inside that fair value gap, right? And the reason why I don't have a stop loss is because I am in front of the charts at that moment in time, right? I just place a stop loss when I'm away from the chart, and obviously this was sort of a scalp, so I am glued to the chart, right? If you're wondering why I do not have a stop loss, right? Because I am monitoring the price, and when price has reached my drawdown level, all right, that's when I will collapse the trade. Okay, so that is just to answer the people who ask why I do not have a stop loss. All right, it's because I am in front of the charts at the time and I'm glued to my seat. So yeah, but yeah, it was a lovely trade. So hopefully you guys saw what I was looking at and what I was waiting for. Okay, but yeah, we'll see what tomorrow holds. Let's just head down to the actual live price action and see what Nasdaq has in store for us. So this is the daily time frame, and what I would love to see is price closing in on this fair value gap right here. So that will be a lovely draw. Okay, throughout the rest of the week I would like to see price heading into that, all right, and then obviously continuing higher, clearing out these highs right here. Okay, so that is what I will be looking at for the rest of the week on Nasdaq. All right, so my eyes will be locked inside of this fair value gap right here. So tomorrow is Wednesday, right? So for us to get there, I would like to see price give a decline first, right, before we push higher. So I want to see price sort of just decline first, okay, and then look for longs, all right? But we'll see what happens, and if price gives a potential long opportunity tomorrow, obviously I will take that, and then I will look for this fair value gap as my objective. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys found value in this, even though it was short, but I just wanted to give you guys my thought process behind it. And until the next video, guys, be safe, have a lovely trading week, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Cheers.